Hello guys, today I'm cooking the casserole shrimp with glass noodle, flavored with ginger, coriander and dry mushroom shitake. It is very easy to make, so let's see the ingredients. First, prepare the water. We are going to soak the noodle before we start something else. Leave the noodle in the water for about 10 minutes. We are going to make a sauce for this dish now by adding sugar, salt, soy sauce, seasoning sauce, oyster sauce, sweet black sauce, and sesame oil. After that, add some water to the mix. Then mix everything well together. Bring the noodle to soak in the salt once again. Add some few pieces of ginger and coriander root for the aroma. And I like to soak the shrimp in the sauce as well to get some flavor. Make sure everything is covered with the sauce and leave it for a while. Set the pot on medium heat, then add the pork belly. I don't use the cooking oil, but I will use the oil from the fat instead because it has more flavor. Next, add all spices and ginger, stir a little bit, let it cook for a while to get some flavor. add the shitake and stir a little bit. After that, add shrimp, and the shrimp doesn't need to be totally cooked, just start to get pink, then turn to another side because we need to bake it later again. And then add the glass noodle, including the sauce, pour all over the pot, close with the lid. We are going to bake it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the shrimp and bring it to the top, cover with the lid again, and then bake more until the water is almost gone. Open the lid, lower the heat, and wait until the water is dry out. Then add spring onion and celery, mix a bit, and turn off the heat. See how easy it is, light, healthy, and delicious. Hope you guys enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Thank you.